Have you ever wondered what the best beaches in Australia are? Picture a land of diverse landscapes, from the red Outback to pristine coastlines. Australia is a treasure trove of unique experiences. Its beaches are no exception. They are a spectacle of turquoise waters, golden sands, and vibrant marine life that leaves you spellbound. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a surfer, or a simple beach lover, Australia has something for everyone. So, tighten your seatbelts. Prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey to Australia's finest beaches. Imagine stepping onto pure, white silica sand that stretches for miles, surrounded by crystal-clear waters. Welcome to Whitehaven Beach, nestled in the heart of Australia's Whitsundays. This is a place where time seems to stand still, and the beauty of nature is on full display. Whitehaven Beach is renowned for its pristine, white silica sand, which is among the purest in the world. It's so fine and soft, it feels like walking on a cloud. Stretching over 7 kilometers, this beach offers an unparalleled experience of tranquility and scenic beauty. One of the most breathtaking views of Whitehaven Beach can be seen from Hill Inlet. As the tide shifts, the mingling of the sand and sea creates a stunning swirl of colors, a mesmerizing spectacle that's truly unforgettable. The crystal-clear waters here are a paradise for snorkeling enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the abundant marine life. You can find yourself swimming alongside the multicolored fish and even the occasional sea turtle. Despite its remote location, reaching Whitehaven Beach is an adventure in itself. It's accessible by boat from the mainland, and the journey is a visual treat, with the azure sea and the green islands providing a magnificent backdrop. Whitehaven Beach is not just a beach, it's a unique experience. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the serenity of nature, yet find a piece of yourself that you didn't know existed. Whitehaven Beach, a paradise on earth that will leave you breathless. Next on our list is the world-renowned Bondi Beach in Sydney. A jewel in the crown of Australia's eastern coastline, Bondi Beach carries a reputation that precedes it. It's not just a beach, it's a lifestyle, a symbol, an Australian icon that stands tall in the global arena. The pulsating heart of Sydney's beach culture, Bondi Beach is a vibrant and lively place. Its golden sands are a canvas where surfers paint their daring stunts, sunbathers sketch their perfect tan, and families etch their memorable moments. This is where the laid-back beach vibe meets the high energy of a bustling city, creating a unique atmosphere that is hard to replicate. Nestled at the southern end of the beach, you will find the iconic Icebergs Pool. This saltwater pool is a spectacle in itself, with the crashing waves of the Pacific Ocean as its backdrop. It's a place where swimmers can enjoy a refreshing dip while being at one with the ocean. And let's not forget the scenic Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. This 6-kilometer track winds its way along the rugged coastline, offering panoramic views of the ocean and the city. Each twist and turn of the path reveals a new perspective, a new slice of the breathtaking beauty that is Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach, where the city meets the sea in a dazzling display of Australian beauty. Venture further and discover Turquoise Bay in Exmouth. A sanctuary of pristine waters and white sandy beaches awaits you. Nestled in the northern regions of Western Australia, Turquoise Bay is a spectacle of nature's artistry. Its beauty isn't just surface deep, the true marvel lies beneath the waves. At the edge of this stunning bay, you'll find the world-renowned Ningaloo Reef. A mere stone's throw from the shore, the reef is a treasure trove of marine biodiversity. As you dip beneath the surface, you're greeted by a world of vibrant corals teeming with life. It's a diver's paradise and a snorkeler's dream. Here, you're not just a spectator, you're an explorer, immersing yourself in a thriving ecosystem. From the majestic manta rays to the playful clownfish, the marine life is as diverse as it is fascinating. Swimming alongside the gentle giants of the sea, the turtles, is an experience that will etch itself in your memory. Turquoise Bay is not just about the underwater spectacle. It's about the tranquility that the bay offers, the serene setting that allows you to truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. It's about the warmth of the sun on your skin, the soft whisper of the waves, and the gentle caress of the sea breeze. Turquoise Bay, a hidden gem that offers an unparalleled underwater adventure. Experience the magic of a sunset at Cable Beach in Broome. This isn't your average beach visit. Cable Beach is a gem of a place where the red Outback dust meets the azure blue of the Indian Ocean. Stretched out over 22 kilometers of pristine sand and crystal clear water, it's an awe-inspiring spectacle that will leave you breathless. The beach is named after the telegraph cable laid between Broome and Java in 1889, connecting Australia to the rest of the world. But today, Cable Beach is known for something entirely different: its world-class sunsets. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky dances with shades of purple, pink, and gold. It's a sight that's nothing short of magical, a mesmerizing display that has to be seen to be believed. Yet, it's not just the sunsets that make Cable Beach special. Another unique feature of this beach is the opportunity to enjoy a camel ride along its sandy shores. Imagine yourself atop a gentle camel, slowly ambling along the beach, the warm sand beneath you, the cool ocean breeze on your face, and the sun setting in a fiery blaze of colors in the background. It's an experience that's as unique as it is unforgettable. The warm, inviting waters of Cable Beach also offer a refreshing escape from the heat. It's a paradise for swimmers, sunbathers, and those who simply love to relax by the sea. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a dolphin or two frolicking in the waves. Whether you're a traveler seeking adventure or a lover of nature's beauty, Cable Beach has something for everyone. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of the world seem to melt away, replaced by the soothing rhythm of the waves and the serene beauty of the sunset. Cable Beach, where each sunset paints a picture that words can't describe. Australia, a land where every beach tells a unique story. From the pure, white sands of Whitehaven Beach in the Whitsundays to the bustling and vibrant Bondi Beach in Sydney, each shore we visited today holds its own unique charm. In Exmouth, we've dived into the crystal-clear waters of Turquoise Bay, and in Broome, we've watched the sun dip below the horizon on the exotic Cable Beach. Australia's beaches are not just stretches of sand, they are living, breathing entities, each one with a distinct personality and a story to tell. They are the heart of Australia's coastal culture, a testament to the beauty of nature and a symbol of the country's laid-back lifestyle. But what truly sets Australia's beaches apart on the global stage? It's not just the pristine waters, the golden sands, or the breathtaking landscapes. It's the sense of tranquility they evoke, the memories they help create, and the adventures they inspire. It's the way they connect us to the land, to the sea, and to each other. From the tranquil solitude of a secluded bay to the lively atmosphere of a bustling coastal city, Australia offers a beach experience for every kind of traveler. Whether you're a surfer chasing the perfect wave, a family seeking a fun-filled day out, or a couple looking for a romantic sunset stroll, Australia's beaches have something for everyone. And the best part? This is just the tip of the iceberg. Australia is home to over 10,000 beaches, each one waiting to be discovered, each one a new adventure to embark on. So, pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to explore the endless shores of this incredible country. Because in Australia, every day is a beach day, and every beach is a new story waiting to be told. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel videos. The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and we're here to guide you on this journey.